Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of process in order to get rid of a screen lock that you don't know. And I do want to also clarify this when doing this kind of way to remove a screen lock that you don't know. Most phones obviously have Google accounts signed in. And in this case, when the device is finished resetting, you'll most likely need to verify either the screen lock that was set on the screen or the Google account that was logged in to the device prior to the reset. So just want to obviously make that clear. Anyway, so no matter if you know your screen lock or don't, you can just hold the power button, and when you have your boot options show up, hold power off, and then this turns off the device. Give it like solid 5 seconds, 10 seconds after it vibrates, and that signifies that it's off. And afterwards you're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time. And if in the next 10 seconds the device doesn't start to boot up, so you don't see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power button and then start holding it again. Once you see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power button, but continue to hold volume up. Next, you will see XOS with no command. So to get past this, we're going to now start holding power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once, and this will redirect you to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, primarily volume down to navigate down, you want to select wipe data, factory reset. When it's selected, confirm it using your power button, then select factory data reset the same way. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once again, and this will reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once the process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.